Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video on the homeschooling vlogs. And today I'm hanging out in Albuquerque, New Mexico. At the Chainsaw Sculpture Gardens and Pueblo Trail. I forgot the name of it. But what I think it's cool is that I came when it was snowing. So something that you don't see every day. So, yeah. Thanks for checking out this video, and I will see you on my next one. Take some pictures, like a slideshow. It's hard to see where I'm going because it's so snowy. So thank you for watching.